exploratory, ad hoc, and monkey testing. Let's start from understanding the exploratory testing. Imagine that you are given an application to test, but there is no requirement and there is no document about this application. In this case, you will perform exploratory testing, where you will explore the application. You will understand the application, identify possible scenarios, and document them for testing. This is called exploratory testing. However, it has some drawbacks. You will spend a lot of time on this testing, so it is time consuming. Since you don't have any requirement, it's possible to misunderstand any feature as a bug or vice versa. That's a major drawback in this testing. The second testing that we learned today is ad hoc testing. Similar to exploratory testing, we don't have any requirements and test cases in ad hoc testing. We'll just randomly test the application without any test cases. However, software testers should have knowledge of applications. It means that the tester already worked on some projects and he or she already knows how functionalities such as login or logout or other functionalities work. Ad hoc testing is an informal testing type, which means that we don't have a proper plan to conduct testing. We just randomly test the application. This is called ad hoc testing. Now let's learn what monkey or gorilla testing is. In this testing type, we also randomly test the application without any test cases or requirements. Unlike ad hoc testing, software testers don't have any knowledge of applications. In monkey testing, we just randomly click on some buttons and the main purpose is to break the system. Let me give you a simple example to understand it better. Imagine that you open some mobile application on your mobile phone and give it to a kid. He doesn't know anything about the application. What do you think of the first thing that he will do? Most probably, he will randomly click each button in the application. Thus, it can result in crashing the software. That is what we want to do in monkey testing, crashing the software. This testing is most suitable for gaming applications. All these three testing types look like they are very similar, but let's see the similarities and the differences among exploratory testing, ad hoc testing, and monkey testing. They are all random testing types. There are no documents and plans. All of them are informal testing. In monkey and exploratory testing, testers don't know the functionalities of the application, while in ad hoc testing, testers know the functionalities. In monkey testing and ad hoc testing, the main goal is to break the software and find some corner bugs. But in exploratory testing, the main purpose is to explore the functionalities of the software. Alright, that's all from my side. If you liked this video, please click on the subscribe button. Bye, see you in the next video.